Hey guys, Steve Firemaster here, back for another YouTube video, but this time you will notice I am in my backyard. That's because now I will be showing you some airsoft and Nerf videos, and the first one I want to go over, I'm actually going to go over two, is first the Stringer P31. Now, hold on. Doing it with 2 hands, so sorry. Right now I have no bullets in there, but the mag is in there. It's an airsoft gun. As you can see, there's a orange tip. And basically, you see this button right here. When I press it, mag falls out. So now let's just pick it up. So this will make me do more outside. And I got 2 new cute puppies. One called Shasta and one called Lucy. And here is what I call a brecci. But it's actually, let me just find it. The Moose Spring M580. Now, if this was an actual gun, I would already have been arrested. Simply because it's illegal in America, but it's just an airsoft gun. As you can see, it has the orange tip, and the reason why I call it the brecci is well, you don't have to listen to it. Oh no! Yeah, that will be the end of this video. Bye!